Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change age group on Roblox. All right, so let's begin with the video. So in order to change age group on Roblox, you have to follow these steps. Start by selecting More at the left side, then head across and open Settings. From there, open the Account Info section. Once here, scroll down to your birthday. Make sure your birthday is set correctly. If it isn't, click the Change Birthday button and update it. You will need to use your actual birthday, because Roblox only allows your age group to match your real age. Once that's set, find the Use an ID to verify your birthday option and wait for it to load. Then click the Continue button. You may be asked to verify your account using an authenticator, email, or phone number. After that, select the country your ID is from, press Continue, choose the type of ID you're using, and continue again. You might be asked to allow Roblox access to your camera. If your current device doesn't have a camera, select the option to continue on another device, then either scan the QR code or receive a link by email. Follow the instructions carefully, which may include showing the front and back of your ID. Once the verification is complete, your age group will be updated. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change age group on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.